everybody, and welcome back to Eye Opener. This is Dr. Mridula V. Amarnath here. So, finally, you have decided to start wearing your contact lens. But let me tell you one thing. Wearing contact lens, yes, it's a great thing. But you must take extreme care while handling your contact lens, while wearing it, your contact lens cases. All this is extremely important. Because in case if you go wrong somewhere, then it can really impact your eyes and even cause a blurring of your vision or diminution of vision and various other causes. Fine. So I'm going to tell you some simple tips which you will have to follow if you're using your contact lens. So the first and foremost is washing your hands thoroughly with a mild soap. So generally what happens is, in case if you applied any lotion or cream or oil or perfume, anything, it forms a thin film onto your hand. And when you don't wash your hands properly, what happens is, and when you wear your contact lens, the thin film gets stuck onto the contact lens too. And this can cause a lot of irritation and even a disturbance in your vision. So make a point that you thoroughly wash your hands with soap. Once you finish washing your hands, dry your hands with a clean, lint-free towel. Another thing is, in case if you are a beginner, what happens is it takes a little more time to actually put the lens on. So make sure that your fingernails are short and it's smooth, because we don't want any scratches either on your lens or on your eyes while you're trying to put onto your contact lens. Fine. The next thing is eye makeup. You can do your eye makeup. There is no restriction for your eye makeup. But remember, always put your contact lens first and then do your eye makeup. And even while you want to remove it, first remove your contact lens and then clean your eye makeup. Remember that thing. Fine. The next thing is, some contact lens need a special kind of a solution or a disinfectant or an enzymatic cleanser. So each contact lens has its own kind of a solution that goes well with it, because you just cannot use any solution or any cleanser that is available in the market, because that can again have an impact onto the contact lens and can also damage your eyes. So before you purchase your contact lens as well as the cleansing solution, make sure you consult your ophthalmologist and then go and purchase them. One more thing what I would like to tell you is, while cleaning your lens, never ever even think about using tap water or distilled water to clean your lens, because it might contain these small harmful microorganisms that can really affect your eyes. Fine. So while cleaning, keep the lens in your palm, take your index finger and make sure every day, every single day, it just takes about 20 seconds. Every single day, just rub over the lens, because in this way, it helps to remove out all the proteins and other stuffs which gets adhered to onto your lens. Fine, that is one thing which you will always have to remember. Now, apart from lens, you will also have to clean the lens case wherein you put the lens, right? So the lens case also has to be cleaned every single day. So clean the lens, keep it dry, and whenever you put the lens, make sure it's filled with the cleansing solution. And after every 3 months, discard the lens case. Okay. The next thing is, wear your contact lens for those number of hours or for that particular duration as advised to you by your doctor. You could ask your doctor to make a schedule for you, or you could set a reminder for yourself so that you exactly know when you will have to remove your contact lens. Another thing is, do not ever share your contact lens with your friends, anyone. It is not right, because if you have any small particles or infections, anything adhered onto the contact lens, there are high chances that even you can also acquire it. So never ever share your contact lens with anyone. Next thing is, never wear your contact lens while you're sleeping. Make it a point to remove your contact lens just before you go to bed. Do not forget it, because what happens is, when you're sleeping, the oxygen supply to your eyes is less. Now this can certainly damage your eyes. You will, if you've experienced it, you will definitely agree with me. Probably the next day when you wake up, your eyes starts feeling gritty, there'll be complete redness, there'll be blurring of your vision. So never ever sleep with your contact lens on. Now with the contact lens solution bottle, make sure once you use the solution bottle, you close it completely and tightly. Never leave the bottle open. Okay, and also make sure that the tip of the bottle does not touch any other surfaces, your fingers or your eyes, because then it can get contaminated, which is again not a good thing. Next thing is, while you're traveling outside, if it's hot and if it's a sunny day, make sure you're wearing your glasses which have complete ultraviolet rays protection. Now, some of them might also have a dryness of their eye. So if in that case, you can use a lubricating eye drops, but before using one, please consult your ophthalmologist. So I'm sure most of them who wear contact lens will certainly agree with this point. You must have experienced at least once or twice when you've put the contact lens in the wrong direction, wrong side, right? So what happens is, it is not going to harm you or anything, but once you wear it, you will certainly feel a little discomfort. Okay, so make sure what you do is take the contact lens at the tip of your finger and look at it from a side. Now, if it is like a U, then you've put in the right direction. Okay, now but if it is still flares up with a small lip at the top, that means it is in the inverted direction. So immediately correct it and wear your contact lens properly. One more thing is, never ever exchange the contact lens. So always be extremely systematic whenever you're wearing and removing your contact lens. That is, the right eye will go onto the right case and the left eye will go onto the left case. You just cannot interchange them. That is going to make your life totally miserable. So while wearing your contact lens, be extremely systematic and it should just go into the right case. Fine. The next one is, do not ever swim with your contact lens on, because the swimming pool contains a lot of chemical compounds. Along with that, there are certain organisms that can again affect your contact lens and it is quite dangerous. So whenever you're swimming, either you remove your contact lens completely or you wear goggles, because that will be of some protection for your eyes. But never, otherwise never ever swim with just your contact lens on and without any goggles. It is not at all advisable. Fine. Next thing is, in case if you get your eyes, you feel your eyes are irritated, or if you feel there is a redness of your eye, first thing is, remove your contact lens. Do not wear it for even a minute longer. Just remove your contact lens, wash your eyes gently with cold water and immediately consult an ophthalmologist. There are certain things which you cannot delay, and this is one thing. You feel a little redness, you feel your vision is also getting slightly disturbed, or there is a slight blurring of vision, immediately rush and meet an ophthalmologist. Okay, and discard your contact lens then and there. And preferably, I would also suggest that when you're meeting your ophthalmologist, take your contact lens along with your lens solution while meeting your ophthalmologist, because in case if he wants to figure out if there is any infection, then a culture of your solution would certainly help him, and based on that the treatment protocol also will change. So never ever wear your contact lens whenever you feel there is a redness or irritation or blurring of your vision. So all that I would like to tell you and share with you is that take that little extra 2 minutes or 3 minutes to clean your lens thoroughly, to wash your hands thoroughly before wearing your contact lens, to clean your contact lens solution almost every single day. Initially, it might look a little difficult, but once you get into the process, trust me, you will have a very smooth, comfortable and a hassle-free journey. So think about it and stay safe. Thank you.